Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk a little bit about your assignment today, which is to watch this video and then complete the absolutely true diary of a part-time Indian quotes. Now, a quote is something that you copy from something else, something that somebody said, okay? So quotes from this book you will need in your paragraph. And so what you will need right now for this assignment is to open the Google Forms, and you will also need to open the book. All right, so just pull it up because you will need to copy some lines from the text for this assignment, okay? Now, let me show you the assignment. This is the Google form that you will need to pull up, okay? What you need to do is find 3 quotes that show if Junior is more of a negative or positive character, all right? And you can choose either negative or positive, but you must find the quotes to prove it. You cannot do both, okay? So if you choose negative, all your quotes have to show how negative he is, and if you choose positive, all your quotes have to show how positive that character is, okay? Now, I'm going to do number 1 just to show you guys. So let me pull my book up. Junior, the main character, he does have a lot of negativity. So like all of chapter 1, he's pretty negative about himself, but with a sense of humor, right? So because he has a sense of humor, I am going to focus more on positivity. So I'm going to write my paragraph about how I think Junior is positive. And the first quote that I'm going to use is going to be the last line of chapter 1. And see here, he's drawing these cartoons. And what he says about his drawing is, I think the world is a series of broken dams and floods, and my cartoons are tiny little lifeboats. Okay, so that's a metaphor. He's saying that the world is flooded. It's a bad, scary place. But the cartoons that he draws could be little lifeboats to help people along the way. All right, and I think that's pretty positive. So what I'm going to do is go back to my Google form, and it won't let me open it. Shoot. See if this one works. Here we go. Sorry, guys. I'm going to go to my Google form, and I'm going to paste my quote in. All right, so this is what I copy and pasted from the book. Now, who said quote number 1? Junior said it. All right, if somebody else is talking about Junior, which you can use a quote like that, then you'll need to say rowdy or mom or whatever, okay? Now, I need the page number. Uh-oh, I didn't look. So I got to go back. Look, down here, it says page 6, right, out of 202. So I can go back here and type in page 6. Now, the last question for quote number 1, why did you pick quote number 1? I'm going to explain why I think this quote shows that Junior is a positive character, all right? He draws because he wants to help people. He thinks that his cartoons will give little glimpses of hope to people that see them, okay? And that's pretty positive. So that's what you need to do for each quote. You'll need to find the actual quote, you'll need to find who said it, you'll need to find the page number, and then you'll need to explain why you chose it. So basically, you'll need to explain why you think it's either positive or negative, okay? This will be due Friday this week. And again, we are going to use our quotes in our paragraph. So it's very important that you get this done by Friday. All right. Good luck, guys. We will meet again tomorrow and go live just to go over this, see if you guys have any questions or concerns about it. All right. Have a great day.